Hello students, good evening. Now let us try to have one more problem student from the thermodynamics. So let us have a look over the problem student, what the problem is all about. The question they are saying enthalpy of formation of CO, CO2, N2O and N24, N2O4 are this much are there respectively. Calculate enthalpy of reaction they are asking dear student. So this is the equation already given is question student. This is reactant and these are the product. So let us do the solution students. Okay. Firstly, what are the given student? You can write down the whatever the things are given, you can write down again. So the given things are the firstly equation are there. N2O4, this is the gas, and that is 3 mole of CO, this is again gas, and it is giving rise that is N2O, this is again gas, and 3CO2, this is again to be gas. Here is another things they have given enthalpy of formation. So delta FHCO and delta FHCO2, delta FH N2O and delta FH, what will be there student? N2O4. These many are there. So dear students, how much are there? CO, N2O and N2O4, these are there. So if you talk about these values are there, CO it is given -110 and CO2 it is given -393, and that is N2O it is given 81, and that is this one is 9.7. okay. Options are there students for this one. You can okay, let us solve firstly. How can you be able to solve? So that is enthalpy of reaction, formula, delta RH, enthalpy of reaction. So that is sum of, what is sum of enthalpy of formation of product, sum of enthalpy of formation of product. These things you have to write, formation of product minus what student? That is sum of enthalpy of formation of reactant, sum of enthalpy of formation of reactant, okay. This is there. So if you talk about sum of enthalpy of formation of product, what is there students? That is, these are formation of product, or these are the product. So we are writing that is delta FH, okay, and that is N2O is there, okay, only 1 mole, plus 3 into what they are student? That is delta FHCO2, this is there, okay. Now student, that is minus, and then you take the middle bracket because minus is common for all. So here is enthalpy of formation of reactant, N2O4 is there. So delta FH, this will be there student, delta FH N2O4 plus how much is there is 3 into delta FH and CO, this is. So this will be like that we can solve. So here you take it out, put out the value dear student, that is N2O. How much value are there student? N2O, this is 81, plus 3 and multiply by CO2. CO2 value you see -393, and then it is supposed to be minus, and that is middle bracket is there, and delta H N2O4. So N2O4 you see student, this is the 9.7, and then plus 3 in bracket. How much is there student for CO? So CO is minus 110. So these are there, okay. So firstly let us solve out the bracket. 81 plus, if you are solving multiplying, so plus into minus, okay, plus into minus, what will be there student? If you are going plus into minus, so this is coming minus. So this is minus 393 multiply by 3, 393 multiply by 3 if you are doing, so 1179, it is coming 1179, and here if you are taking minus, this is 9.7, this is there, plus into minus, that is minus 311, 11 3 ja 330, this much is coming, right student? So dear student, you multiply this minus sign in the bracket, middle bracket, it is coming 81 minus 1179 and minus 9.7 minus into minus plus, that is 330, okay. You put out the, you add out, that is this positive is there and this positive are there, so both positive you add out together, So it is coming what student, 411, and these two negative you are adding out, so it will coming student, in these two negative it will come student minus 1188.7, this is there. Now if you solve it out, that is negative sign, negative value are greater, so negative sign, that is 0.007, this is coming kilojoule per mole. Okay, because here is the only 1 mole are there na, all are 1 mole, so that is kilojoule per mole, otherwise you can write that is kilojoule. So enthalpy of the reaction is how much is there, minus 777.7 kilojoule energy is getting released. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.